Hello, I'm Anastasia. In this video, I will show you how to do this beautiful design with metallic drops. Coming up. We will need gel plate bling on by accents to secure rhinestones, crystals themselves by Swarovski, katana crystal pickup tool, top coat by Tortiso, this is the no cleanse, and small detailer brush by NSI. Also, I will be using silver metallic nail polish, magenta, and blue, and these are all regular nail polishes, not gel polishes. So I already created edge shape with acrylic. I did nude nail bed and clear free edge, and now I'm filing it. First I file with electric nail file and then I switch to the regular file. As you probably noticed, this shape looks a lot like triangle and it also got an edge in the center. So make sure all lines are parallel, and now I'm applying top coat. Usually this is the last step of most of my designs. I seal with the top coat at the end, but here it will be only the beginning. So with this shape, I recommend to apply top coat on one side first and only after that apply it on the other side. Also make sure that you do not apply too much of the top coat because this edge in the center will not be so visible. So I applied on all nails first, and as we were using clear, you need to make sure that it's as clear as possible. So basically we have the finished nails now and we're just sealing them with a top coat. You can use any sealer, but I personally prefer no cleanse sealers because usually they have the better shine, and also you don't need to waste time removing the sticky layer. You can use both gel top coat or soak off gel polish top coat. Usually they all shine very good, and actually for acrylic sometimes I prefer soak off top coats because even if you will leave some small margin between the natural nail and the product, then you still can apply the top coat right on top and it will last, since this is the soft flexible top coat. Then we need to cure it in LED for 30 seconds, and this is how the nails look now. Now let's start the design. Turn the nails around and I take the same top coat and simply apply drops. You can use the brush from the bottle or you can use the separate small brush like the one I'm using now. Cure for 30 seconds and then do the same on the other side. As this shape edge is basically divided into two parts, I will apply on one side first and on the other side after that. But if you decided to do the same design with, let's say, square or almond shape, you can do this all at once. So then after curing, we need to do the same and apply like a second row of the drops. Make sure they all intersect. This will make this design look even better. Cure and then take the nail polish. First I apply metallic blue and metallic silver in between, blend them a little so we can get a beautiful silver and blue color. On the other nail I will apply magenta, blue and silver in the center and again start blending. So once we blend blue and pink, they become a beautiful purple color. So now we have even more colors, but do not blend too much. Also make sure you do not leave any spots free of color. If you do, just make sure to fill them. For this nail I will be using again blue and magenta in the center and a little bit silver because I want to have this really beautiful metallic look. And this is how it looks now. All the design was made underneath, and also I decided to outline all the smile lines with the rhinestones to make them look more like triangle. So what I do, I apply gel plate bling on by accents on top to outline the smile line and then apply small crystals in one row. Make sure the line is straight. Continue applying until we get the whole smile line shiny with crystals. Fix them as much as you need with the other side of Crystal Katana pickup tool and cure for 30 seconds in LED, and then continue applying crystals on other nails. After that, our nail polish is completely dry and we can seal it with the top coat. Honestly, I was not sure that this trick gonna work, but it did. Now it's been about 3 weeks since we did these nails and nothing chipped yet. But keep in mind that I was using a regular nail polish, so when we sculpt nails underneath, they're usually shiny. So if you want to use a gel polish, I think it's better to remove the surface shine first. So after sealing, we need to cure it for 30 seconds in the LED lamp. Here we go, beautiful design with metallic drops. This design was basically made underneath the nail, and do not worry, it's completely wearable as these drops, they are very flat. Let me guys know what do you think. I think it will look great on any nail shapes too. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new nail art tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Bye bye.